So today we're taking a look at audit for GC Flight. They're a helicopter service from Las Vegas to the Grand Canyon through a bunch of different tours. So I ran a quick audit of their site. We're going over some of the different findings that I found. So the first major thing I found with the site is there's multiple H1 tags. Looking at Mozbar, looking at how many different H1s they have on their homepage. And the reason why that's an issue is you only have one H1 tag per page. So whoever designed the website didn't understand that and just made, I think, almost all the different headers H1 tags. Next, there's a lot of different articles not targeting keywords. If you go under About section here, articles, you can just tell a lot of these really aren't targeting a specific keyword. When you're building up blog content, you want to find the keywords first and then build out content based around it, because that's what people want. And then once you eventually go after all the different keywords, or you have an audience built up, then you can go after other things. So right now, at least, I'm sure there's a lot more keywords to be able to find. So I'd do that first rather than building out other individual pages based around it. If you look at the articles also, load up this one, helicopter tours, Las Vegas style. There's no CTA built into these posts. There's no images, and the content's really thin. I didn't add thin content here, but yeah, the content's really, really thin. It might not even be 500 words. So that's a big issue there. When you look under, another thing I wanted to bring up also is kind of a bad URL structure. You can see like this right here alone for the articles, it just goes straight into this URL. If you also look under tours, like let's say helicopter tours, it's / product category and then helicopter tours. It shouldn't be a product category. We're talking about tours here, so it should be /tours / helicopter / skywalk, different things like that. Not / product category, the default thing. Doesn't really make any sense to have there, along with how the URL structure is kind of laid out with the site. Next thing we're going to talk about is schema. A lot of schema issues, which is pretty common. I have the about page loaded up here. You can tell there's no about schema. It's a more advanced schema type. If you go load up their homepage, which I'm going to just go back, you can see it. Maybe not. All right, hold on. We'll do this again real quick. It only takes a few seconds or so. I don't need Mozbar anymore, so I can close that off. You can tell there's organization here. Now, since they're a local business, they should not have organization markup. Organization markup is for larger companies that have multiple locations, or just a website that doesn't have a brick and mortar location. They're 100% local, since they have an actual one location in Las Vegas. So yeah, that needs to be changed there. And yeah, I already talked about this advanced schema. They don't have a robots.txt on the website. So if you take a look at this, not found, right? And that brings me to the next thing. There needs to be a custom 404 page. So if someone goes to a random page, they should not be getting a 404 like this. They should be built in based around the web design. Also, there's a lot of insecure content on the site. I ran a few different scans. There's like 20-30 pages of insecure content, and that issue was not allowing me to run GT metrics. If you guys don't know what insecure content is, that's when this padlock goes away and it has it won't show up as HTTPS, or sometimes it will. You'll see it right here, just unsecured padlock. So there's a bunch of different pages with that, and GT metrics wouldn't be able to run with that. So I couldn't check out the speed of the site. And last thing I'd say is add reviews and testimonials. So I did notice when I was going through this audit that there is reviews right here. But the thing about it is we should be having reviews on individual pages. So if someone goes for a tours helicopter, they should have reviews built into this rather than just a default 5 stars, which the service is probably 5 stars because I noticed a lot of good reviews, but there's no individuals saying like this is really, really good right here. So I would add reviews right here to these pages to help people convert. But yeah, that's it for this quick audit. If you guys have any questions at all, make sure to leave it down below. Make sure to check down the description if you guys need any white label services. If you guys want to learn how to use ClickFunnels or get hosting, all that information is down below. Anyways, guys, I will see you in the next video.